we have to chop it into little bits, and then we'll continue. Please watch as we chop the cabbage. Hello my people, and welcome in today's video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. And if you are just passing, please stop scrolling and watch this video and you'll be blessed. Don't forget to like and click the notification button. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to properly slice cabbage without using any machine, okay? After doing that, I will show you how to prep it. And after prepping it, it can be used. The end result can be used for anything. It can be used for your salad. It can be used for your stew cabbage. Anything and anything. Please watch and leave your comments below. And let me know what you want to see next in this channel. So right now, our water is boiled, okay? We'll go ahead and put our cabbage. Remember, the water was already salted with the water was already salted. I just wash my hands. I always remember to wash your hands. So the importance of this is just to remove the rawness of the cabbage. Okay. Let me know in the comment section how you guys do your own, guys. So I will go ahead and take it off the fire. Into the sieve, guys. Be very, very careful, okay? I didn't stay because I don't want it to be overcooked. So I'll go ahead and rinse it. Guys, from now, cold water will be used to rinse the cabbage till the end in order to stop the process of cooking. Where the water was good. Just making sure that all the cabbage is out. Okay guys, we'll go ahead and put it here, okay? Go ahead, I will squeeze it. Go ahead and squeeze it, okay? I'm going to squeeze it like this until it's done. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try it. See how it looks like. The end of it. And this is how it looks like. This is the cabbage. Thanks for watching.